Choosing between RBC and TD can feel like navigating a financial maze, so let's cut through the confusion and see which bank truly delivers more bang for your buck. First, let's examine account fees. RBC often charges higher monthly fees, especially on their premium accounts, whereas TD frequently offers more options to waive fees by maintaining minimum balances. Now, for interest rates on savings accounts. TD typically offers slightly more competitive rates, but these rates can fluctuate, so always double-check the current figures directly on their websites. Next, consider their credit card offerings. RBC has a wider array of travel rewards cards, while TD excels in cashback options, giving you more flexibility based on your spending habits. Finally, ATM access and branch network both have a large presence across Canada, but consider your personal location, which has more ATMs and branches conveniently located near your home or work. Ultimately, the best bank for you depends on your individual needs. Weigh the fees, interest rates, credit card perks, and branch access to make an informed decision tailored to your financial lifestyle.